Get ready. Start. Large amounts of money have been spent both by the center and the states for the welfare activities of the backward classes. Even in the 12th plan, we see that a sum of rupees 400 crores has been provided for the uplift of the weaker sections to enable them to get the benefit of it. Looking at the provisions and the various acts and orders issued by the governments both at the center and state levels, the commissioner feels that in view of the aspirations and intentions of the backward classes to come up to the level of the other communities, the orders should reach in reasonable time if they are to be implemented effectively and with a sense of urgency. Now, sir, the position is that the schemes are not implemented properly. There is no enthusiasm behind the execution of the schemes. There is no such urgency shown by the officers who execute the work. This can be seen from the big shortfalls in the expenditure. If there is really sense of urgency on the part of the officers, there should not be such large shortfalls in the expenditure of money. Similarly, we see that so many cases about removal of untouchability have not been registered due to the lukewarm attitude of the officers. It seems that these people have no sympathy for the backward classes, and we see that large numbers of people of the scheduled castes are not allowed to derive benefit from the provisions made under the Act, Removal of Untouchability Act. Sir, it will be seen that during the period 2001 to the overall increase in the agricultural production is in the neighborhood of 30%, but the wages of the weaker sections have not increased so that extent. On the contrary, there is decline in their income. If the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe man is entitled to a share in the general development, then his income should have increased to the extent of 30%. This is clearly stated in the report that the economic and social conditions of the regions and other backward classes of the society have not shown any improvement. This is also emphasized by the Backward Classes Commission in its last report, and it has laid stress that the backward classes should derive the maximum benefit from the development of these schemes, but nothing happened further. Afterwards, it was decided and agreed to by all the states to follow the formula of setting aside a portion out of the total outlay in the general development schemes